Yes, dear friends, today I want to share with you some important issues about how to maintain your tire, especially if you have a tire that always have some holes. Nowadays we have these tubeless tires, of which sometimes you get that the tubeless tire has some multiple holes within it, and that it makes you to go back to the pumping area so that you get service. But now I think this is the time to change. I personally spend a lot of money each morning when I was moving about for service of the tire, because always my tire was half flat. Then I discovered that I have to use this product, of which it helped me a lot. It is called the Total Stop Puncture. So this is the product that I used once, and it is very useful. In fact, my tire was not having a big holes, but there are a series of some small holes that were making it impossible. Each morning after a week or two, I have to go to inflate the tire. So I decided to end up this problem by buying this product. I don't sell the product, and also I don't promote it, but I just want to share with you so that you know how to handle the case. So here we go. It is not a big issue. You go to any of the total points, selling points, and then you buy a stop puncture. In Kenya it costs about 900 shillings. I can approximate to almost 10,000 Tanzanian shillings. So you buy one of these, and after buying, then you follow the instructions. So first of all, you should know that product features repairs and inflates or punctures on tiles of a width ranging from 145 to 205 millimeters, with or without inner tube. It's easy to use. Total Stop Puncture does not require a wheel to take off, so you can just adjust it while the wheel is on. So this is what you do. So first of all, if possible, take the puncture inducing object off, be it a nail or any sharp object. So you take it away, then position the valve at the top, shake well before use as normal, then you screw the spray tube on the tire valve like this, and hold the spray in upright position. Then take off the security cap of the Total Stop Puncture and press the button until obtaining a satisfactory pressure inside the tire. Yes, so this is depending on how much you want to spend in that tire, but normally if the tire is big enough, you can use even the whole width. It all depends. Then after finishing, then you see that the tire itself it inflates by that product, and then when it reaches such a level, then you have to add up the air. Remember, before that the air was off, so you add the air according to the number that you are used to. Normally check around the tire, they will tell you how much your tire can handle, and then after that you are advised to drive your car immediately from 10 to 20 km at a moderate speed, at least maximum to 50 km per hour. This helps to spread correctly the product and have the pressure checked as soon as possible. So thank you, we are together. So if you like the video, subscribe and then let me know. Thank you, comment.